So let's look at some pseudocode for finding the node or a node in a linked list. So we're going to create a function header which we'll call find node. It's got a target node, okay, or a target character that we're going to pass in. And if we find that node in the list, we're going to return the integer, which is the pointer to that node. So we need to declare an integer variable to return to the calling function. So we're going to call it output pointer or PTR. And then we're going to set that pointer to be the start pointer, which is, in this instance, position 0 in our initial array where it says hello. And then we're going to create a conditional loop, and we're going to test to see if the output pointer is equal to the null pointer. If it is equal to the null pointer, then obviously we've reached the end of the list. And we haven't found the item by this point, then we need to return that. However, we need to also stop our conditional loop if we find the item or the target in the list. So let's add that in. So if the target is not equal to the data item of the current position in the linked list, and it's not equal to the null pointer, then we can continually move through the linked list. So by continually changing the output pointer to the pointer to the next item in the linked list, we can continually check to see if the output pointer becomes the null pointer or if the target matches the data item of that current linked list node. When we get to the end of the linked list, or if we find the target, we can then return the output pointer. And that's the end of that function. Okay, so let's quickly test this. Let's say we have a target of O, and we run through this find node procedure. So we're passing our target of the letter O. We set up these output pointers, and we set the output pointer to become the start pointer, so that makes the output pointer also well. And so now we can compare. So we firstly check if output pointer is equal to null pointer. That's not true. Is target equal to my list 0 data item? That's H. The answer is no. Okay, so I'm just going to mark that in red. So if that's not the case, then we can change the output pointer to become the pointer to the next node in the list. So output pointer changes from 0 to what's associated with H, which is 1. And we compare again, and E does not match O. Output pointer is not the null pointer, so we change output pointer to 2. We check the output pointer, it's not null. L does not match O, so we change output pointer to 3. We compare output pointer to null, it's not the same. We also compare L to O, and it's not the same, so we change output pointer to 4. We compare output pointer to null pointer, it's not the same. And we compare O to O, but that is a match, therefore this condition here does not equate to true and true, it equates to true and false, therefore we end the while loop and we can return output pointer, which is 4.